Tutorial number 7, it will be about the contact constraint. A very nice tool in CATIA. Let's go to the sketcher. If you didn't know where to find it, for example, if the menus are messed up, you can send them back as they were. So right click on this, and in the bottom of it you can see customize, and here you can see, so you can go to the tool, customize, and in the toolbar restore all contents and restore all position, close. So now the original interface returned back. So now let's choose plane to sketch on it, XY plane, and choose the sketcher workbench, and let's try to draw some rectangle. And circle. So the contact constraint is a tool making a contact between two objects where the contacts is available to them. So in this case, let's try with this circle and with one edge of the rectangle. Just press on the auto contact or contact constraint. Choose this circle and this edge. So now you are able to move this circle tangent to this edge. And as you notice, the size of the circle is changed because we didn't add a dimension constraint. So let's make another case. Let's make this line and make it a contact with this rectangle edge. Contact constraint, this one is already chosen, and let's choose this. So now we're making this contact or the collinear relation between this line and the edge. And if we draw two circles, we have already one circle, let's draw a second circle. And let's make a contact constraint between this circle and this circle. So we have this smaller circle is concentric with the bigger circle, and you notice here the concentric relation is applied here. And now you can move this circle tangent to this edge. If you want to move the relation between, for example, this line and this edge, you have this concentric coincidence relation, and press delete, and now you can move this line freely. So let's make another case. Let's choose the profile, draw line, hold circle, an arc, and another, and one line. So now let's make a contact constraint between this circle and this line. Let's choose the auto constraint. Let's choose this arc and this line. So we made the contact constraint in this profile. So now we showed you many examples how to use the auto constraint or the contact constraint in CATIA, and see you in the next tutorial.